I'm just sitting by the pool trying to decide which tiles we're going to use on the terrace, when I spot that there's a small herd of cows, I think it's 4 or 5, that have decided to come into the garden and start chomping on the grass. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's the other one. I think that's a bull. Yeah, I don't know how they get in. How are they getting in, Beng? Where they come in?
Ơi, Ốc ơi! Lô, lô, chốt ổn mà lô. Ơi, không ơi! Bay, bay! Ơi! Ơi!
Well, they obviously know how they came in. It wasn't via our gate, that's for sure. Let's find out. Maybe they found a gap. They're coming in from our field, our top field, I think. I don't think there's a gap, so difficult to know. They're coming in. That's our land over there, so they shouldn't even be in there. So how they've it's because the tractor, they've been dredging the river last few days, and the tractor's been in here and torn down this fence. And now, yeah, I'd forgotten about this. We're going to have to fix this double quick. Put a fence up here. Oh, bloody idiots. Look what they've completely trashed this. It's like a war zone, isn't it? Looks like the Somme. And they've come right through our field. This field is ours. So the electric fence that keeps them in the next field has obviously got a gap in it, or it's failed. They've come through into our field, which is here. And then because the government have decided in their wisdom to start ripping up start tearing down my fence posts as part of their river dredging exercise, they've created a big hole here, darling. Look, this is where they came in. That's where they came in. But they can get in here, anybody can get in here now. Now that those contractors have destroyed our fence and hedge. Several fence posts, concrete fence posts, they just destroyed. There's one under here, 2 under there, I think, and then they've broken these. There's another one there broken. Whether I'll get any compensation for it to repair them is anyone's guess.